Now I want to continue the review for page 628 and number 6 because this happens to be the example of combining two rectangular prisms to find one volume. Madeline made the wooden steps shown, and what is the volume of the steps? I labeled it, as you can see, the first step as step A and the second step as step B. Now, let's do the easier one first. For A, I would say that the length of A is obviously this dimension going across of 10 inches. The width for A goes all the way back, giving us a width of 9 inches. A height for A, it tells us right here that it's 6 inches. So I clearly have my length, my width, and my height of A. Now let's look at step B. Gets a little trickier, and I'll show you why. So I'm going to put my little chart here, length, width, and height. Length of B. So I know that it goes straight across, and we know that this line is parallel to this line, it's parallel to this line, that's parallel to this line, and this line. Going back to the beginning, we know that the length is 10 inches. Now, the width of B. This is where it gets tricky, because I don't see anything here. And I don't see anything here. Oh, I see something here. Okay, so I know that the width of B is 5. So maybe that wasn't the tricky one. Oh, I know what it is. It's the height that we've got to try to figure out. So the height of B is not really labeled. However, they do give you the combined height of both A and B, which is 12 inches. Now, I know that the height of A is 6 inches. So if the combined volume of A and B is 12, all I have to do is take 6 from 12, and that will give me the total height for B. And if we know our basic facts, 12 minus 6 gives us 6 inches. So now we have the dimensions for both A and B. We know we have to multiply A to get the volume, multiply B to get the volume, then we add those two volumes together to get our total cubic inches.